The major challenges is with tidal constraints and the difficulties of working over the flowing water, and also most of the work has been done with cranes and they're wind sensitive.
Why'd you do it, son?
Well, we got started in demolition, well, nearly 30 years ago now, so it's been a natural progression from knocking down buildings and sheds in the quarrying industry. We sort of evolved into the rail industry and specialised in sort of bridge demolition and the marine aspect of demolition as well, working off barges and working with boats and working on the water and the tidal waterways.
Do you love it?
I don't know if I love it tonight. Being out here at 2 o'clock in the morning when it's freezing cold on a Saturday night, I don't think love comes into it. We're just about to start burning out the first girders now. Well, yeah, we've only got another 53 to go. We finished the bridge deck 25 hours early, well ahead of schedule. Yeah, it's all going very well.